Yo everybody, I just wanted to show you the mini tool that I carry every day. This is my Leatherman mini tool. Actually kind of pointless as a mini tool seeing as how there's only two. There's a blade I think and there's a file on the inside. But I use my multi-tools for the pliers. I've broken so many mini tools because the pliers are just junk. And this is the only mini tool that has a full-size plier head on it. It's really good. And a good grip on what you're doing. Plus, it has these extended handles. So it becomes a full-size multi-tool. It's kind of neat. Cool, pocket-friendly. Like I said, there's only a couple. There's like a blade in there and a little file in there. But I have other multi-tools if I need that. Carrying the ATC bit. So this was cool. We'll just continue on. Wish they made a mini tool. No, I'm talking to YouTube, Mary. Wish they still made mini tools with this big plier head. Really handy. Alright, take care and aloha.